Hello and welcome to timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at timegram's team module. Let's get started. The team module is all about managing your team. Here you can see all your team members and teams across the organization in one place. The Users tab shows all the individual users in your organization. There are multiple ways to filter the list. You can search by name. You can also filter the results by user role, and you can also filter by team. You can see their email, user role, job title, and whether they have completed onboarding on timegram through their status. You can also edit user details by clicking on their name. In this drawer, you can change their name, job title, weekly capacity, hourly rate, and user role. To add a new user, click the Add User button. Enter their email address, weekly capacity, and hourly rate. You can invite users in bulk too if you like. Then select their user role. There are 3 roles available: admin, manager, and user. Admin is the super user, while manager can only manage specific teams, and users are the team members. Once you have added the information, hit Send Invite. All the users will receive an email to join timegram. Here I'm going to open the email of the account that I have invited and activate their account by accepting the email invitation. Once you click Activate Account, you'll be asked to set up a password and then confirm it by typing it again. Now, as soon as you click Set New Password, you will be redirected to this page confirming you that the password has been set. Click Continue, enter the work email and password and click Sign in. This would start the onboarding process. Here you'll upload a profile picture, enter your first name, last name, and then select your time zone. Once you're done, click Continue. Now you can either choose to get the timegram highlights app or click Skip Step. Your account has now been created. The status of the account would also have changed to Confirmed from Pending, as we just checked by logging into the owner's account. Next up is Teams. Here you can manage all your teams. You can search by team name to filter out the list. To edit a team, simply click on its name and it will open the drawer where you can change the name, add or remove members, and add or remove teams from project. To add a new team, simply click on Add Team, give it a cool name, add your members to your squad, assign a manager, and add the teams to the projects. Hit Create and your team is ready to start knocking down some projects. You can edit or update the list of members in a team directly through the Teams page, as shown here. The team lead can't be removed and would instead have to be replaced by someone else, which requires you to click the team's name and edit it. That's it for team module. Feel free to drop us a message on a chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.